Set your boundaries, make your expectations clear, and learn to say no.
I just attended Lisa's training. Some really great takeaways. The presentation was wonderful. It was well done.
And so recognizing that we need to try, we need to make an effort to try to deal with conflict, and how that can help make our lives so much better. Little things can make our lives so much better.
Allowed me to think about ways to handle conflict in a positive and to get a positive outlook as well.
Think about what bothers you, what is important to you, and then set a boundary. So that way, when things are happening with your relationships and people get close to that boundary, you can start trying to prevent that.
I learned a few things about compliance and about skills and personal talking and behavior, so really recommend it.
Learning how to say no. Big one. Difficult one. Because you know what happens when you say yes all the time? You get overcommitted. You're going in 15 different directions, and then all these wonderful things that you say yes to, they're no longer wonderful, are they? Because now it's stressful. It's stressful. I've got to do this, I got to do that. And what happens? We get irritable. We get frustrated. Who do we take it out on? The people around us, the others.
She's very clear, she's very precise, and she shared some really good tools that you can take back to the workplace. So I would highly recommend attending her next workshop.
Avoiding conflict is not the answer for you folks that like to avoid, okay?
I really just enjoyed Lisa's information about conflict. It made me realize self-assessment is very important to dealing with conflict in the workplace.
No more drama, right? That's the quote. No more drama, I'm stepping away. Well, here is the thing about that. When we have that type of idea in our minds, once again, we are not honoring ourselves. That means our opinions aren't being heard. What gives someone else the right to have an opinion and do things and not you? What is that difference? Why is it them and not you? We know that the squeaky wheel gets the grease, right? And a lot of people play on that. And that's a strategy, isn't it? That's a tactic. And so we have to push back on that and say, you know, yes, this person may make a little noise, but I give in to them all the time. This is something I really feel important. So choose your battles and practice standing up to folks. And we want to do it in a nice, respectful way.
It is with great joy and gratitude that we as a community receive her and her gifts, and the things that she is going to give to us.